In this video, we'll show you how to easily transfer your Jio eSIM from one phone to another. So it doesn't really matter whether you are transferring from an Android to Android or an iPhone to iPhone or an Android to iPhone or an iPhone to Android. The process remains the same. So to get started, you'll first need to install the My Jio app on the phone that currently has the eSIM. Now simply open the app. Now log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are on this screen, allow the necessary permissions. Now simply tap on this search icon in the top right corner and then we'll have to search for eSIM. You can tap here or type in directly if it doesn't appear there. Once you search for eSIM, select this switch to eSIM option. Now here you will need to first verify your email ID, so tap on verify. Now enter the OTP that you received on your email ID and then hit submit. Now it will ask you to switch to mobile data if you are using Wi-Fi. So first turn off Wi-Fi and then make sure that the mobile data is active. Now tap on OK here. Now tap proceed to continue. Now it will verify your eSIM, so tap on proceed. Now it will ask you to send a message, so simply hit send. Now wait for a couple of seconds. Now it will ask you to enter an EID number of the phone to which you want to transfer the eSIM. So you can tap this info icon to check how you can find the EID number of your new Android or iPhone. So on Apple devices you can go to settings, general and then about phone. On Samsung the process is slightly different as mentioned here. You can also use this code in the dialer app of your new phone to generate the EID number immediately. It will be a 32-digit code that you will need to enter here. Once you have entered the code, simply tap on proceed. Now it will send the OTP for the verification process. Now tap on confirm and as you can see the eSIM request is now submitted. Now on your new Android or iPhone device, you should see a prompt like this asking you to complete the eSIM setup. From there you simply have to follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process and you should be done. Note that it might take a couple of hours for your eSIM to actually get activated on the new phone. So you might see this emergency calls only alert. Don't worry about it, it should disappear automatically after a couple of hours and your eSIM will be activated on the new phone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Snitch.